Welcome to our ultimate haircutting showdown. Today we are comparing two popular hair clippers, the TPOB Slime 2 and the GLAKER hair clippers. Both of these products promise to deliver excellent performance, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into the details and find out. The TPOB Slime 2 features a powerful 6,800 RPM motor, making it slightly faster than the GLAKER's 6,500 RPM motor. This difference in speed can lead to quicker and more efficient haircutting, especially for those looking to achieve precise fades and blends. However, the GLAKER also offers a robust performance suitable for various hair types. When it comes to accessories, the GLAKER hair clippers shine with a comprehensive kit that includes 15 guide combs, a T-blade trimmer, and additional tools like a storage bag and cleaning brush. In contrast, the TPOB Slime 2 offers a more basic package, which may be sufficient for casual users, but lacks the versatility of the GLAKER. In terms of pricing, the TPOB Slime 2 is more affordable at $59, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. On the other hand, the GLAKER hair clippers are priced at $79, reflecting the additional features and accessories included in the kit. Ultimately, the choice will depend on your budget and the features you value most. To wrap up, both the TPOB Slime 2 and GLAKER hair clippers offer unique advantages. The TPOB is a solid choice for those seeking a powerful clipper at a lower price, while the GLAKER provides a more comprehensive package with longer battery life and a wider range of accessories. Be sure to consider your specific grooming needs before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.